integration between the quality management and sales and distribution. They call it as SD. When we are doing the inspection, here the material is a finished material on which we are doing the inspection, because after producing the material at the time of delivery to the customer, I want to trigger a inspection. It is a non-stock relevant. We just check the material like how in the 03 we do the inspection. When I am selling my material to a customer, at that time, we will deliver the product to the customer. So at that time, I want to trigger a inspection. Material, is it okay or not? Open material master. This is my material and quality management view, 1000 plant. Okay, it is in, I think, 1200. In the inspection setup, so whenever we see the details, when we want to activate the inspection type, you get the whole list. What all inspection types are possible. So inspection type 10 is inspection for delivery to the customer with respect to the sales order. We'll be activating inspection type 10 in this case. Anything which is prefixed with Z, that is a customized one. Okay, so these are the standard SAP inspection type, which are in numeric. Material master, you will be activating inspection type 10, and it is a non-stock relevant. If I double click on it, here you can see that option of post to inspection stock, that is not coming. Whereas if I select say 5, here post to inspection stock is coming. Means 05 is a stock relevant. If any inspection type is stock relevant, it means that will have this field. Okay, these are the default settings which are again coming from the configuration. We are maintaining these default settings for this particular inspection type. So at present, 10 if I select, then it is non-stock relevant. Quality info record. Like for the procurement case, we are maintaining the quality info record. Similarly, here we will be maintaining quality info record for the SD, which means it is a combination of the customer, sales organization, and the material. This material, we are selling it to this customer, and this is my sales organization. Okay, so that kind of combination of info record I will be creating, where I will be specifying that whether I want my inspection to be triggered before the sales transaction has been done or after the transaction has been completed. D is 05. Okay, it's a report used to get the list of all the sales orders so far created. It's a SD transaction and sales order type, what kind of order it is. And when we are creating the delivery transaction or sale order transactions we are creating, then it is OR for sales. And then if I execute it, so these are all sales orders which are created, standard sales order. Complete list. 97 date it is showing as a document date. So select this and I can use this sorted in the descending order so that I can pick the latest one, which will come on the top. So this is the order which date a customer to whom I am selling my material, the materials which I am selling, and this is the quantity. Let's open the buy and we can open the sales order. Double click on it, it will see the plant. So this is the easiest way to take out the whole information. This is your customer to whom you are selling it, sold to party, and this is shipped to party. Sold to party and shipped to party, in which case it will be different, is like the person who is doing the payment might be different and the person who is receiving might be different. Sometimes we gift some articles to some other person. So I am paying the bill and gifting my material to some other destination location whom I am gifting it. But most of the time they are same only. This is my material. Quantity is this. This is the plant, 1000. Okay, so I can get the information from /mm02, enter. This is my material, enter. We are selling it. Okay, at that time, what views should be active? The sales view should be active in that particular material, right? Then only I will be able to sell it. When I'm purchasing any material, then the purchase view should be active. I'm selling it, definitely the cost will be involved. How much will be the cost at the time of selling, right? So the accounting view will be activated in that. You can see quality management view is not active in this particular material. So our task is to first activate the quality management view. Since it is a single material, I can use this. The other option is that I /mm50. Enter, and this is my material. For single also I can use it. View which I want to activate. So I want to activate quality management view in this. I will be selecting Q for it. And if multiple are there, you will be entering the list here. Click on continue. Okay. So at present single is there, and my plant, suppose maybe there is a possibility that it will be present in multiple plant, but I'm interested in only 1000 plant, and click on execute. So select this and click on maintain material. So it will open the quality management view. So I have an option directly. I can activate inspection type also here. I can activate say 10, which I want to trigger inspection for delivery to the customer. So click on activate. You want to see the details of default settings. So this is how. Continue it and then click on save. Now it is green. It material has been processed in the bottom, the message for this material. I have activated quality management view also, view 1000, and in the inspection setup, inspection type 10 is activated. I need a quality info record also for this, right? So to whom I'm selling it, that combination quality info record I need. This is my customer, right? So take the customer from here and let's open another session. The quality info record, it is the T code which we use is QV51 for SD. This is my customer, and here we need to tell the sales organization 1000 only. My plant sense is that. Click on new record because I am creating a new one. So select this and this pop-up will come. Here you will tell the material, enter this material. Option before delivery, after delivery by the customer. Normally we don't use the by customer option. Only the before delivery and after delivery is there. By default also it is selected as before delivery because there are always few default settings for any transaction. But I have an option, I can change it if I want to change it. That I want to trigger a lot once the delivery transaction has been completed. But normally in the real time also, even if we want to trigger a lot, we use before only because before we give it to the customer, we will be inspecting that material. Once the sales order transaction has been created, then the quality department and inspection will be done. The person will not be able to complete the delivery transaction till we clear it from the quality. Okay, like the result recording and the usage decision has been done. And click on continue. So this is my record and click on save. So I have maintained a quality info record for this customer. Even the inspection plan for this material might not be there. So I will create an inspection plan, which is QP01, and this is my material and the plant. Press enter key. Here you will be telling the usage. Like for good receipt, we use 5. But in this case, we will be selecting 6. Okay, good issue. I will 4. Okay, press enter key and go to the new operation, control key and the description. Select this, go to the inspection characteristics, and here I will be assigning my MIC. MIC we can take the length I am taking. Here we will be telling the sampling procedure. We can use say fixed sample only. Okay, and then click on save. So I have created my inspection plan with the usage 6 so that it should be automatically assigned. Now we will trigger a lot, and for that I need to create a sales order transaction. BA05 is a report which will give you the list of sales order. Here I can enter the order type as OR and click on execute. For this document date, then these are the orders which are recently created. I can take anyone out. Copy, Control Y, Control C, and if I open another session and want to create a sales order, so BA01 is used to create a sales order, and here we can enter the order type, which is for standard order, it is OR. Okay, so either you can search it or you can type it directly as OR. Press enter. Then here you can enter the details. But if I want to create it using the reference, then let me go back, /n, enter. And here I can click on this create with reference in the order. I can enter the order number, so which I took from the report, and click on copy. And here either you can use the same material as it is to create a sales order, or if you want to replace this material with some other material, then we can do that. This is a stock report for this material and current status. So if I take the same material and replace it with this material in the schedule line, let me select this. Okay, it is picking up as a 9th August as the delivery date. Okay, so click on continue and new pricing dates carry out. Press enter key. Let's go back. Press enter. Okay, and then if I click on save, the sales order has been created. Okay, now we can go to the change. Either we can use the change mode of it. It will pick this recently created sales order number and press enter key. On the menu, either you can select deliver, or we can use another transaction. It is showing me no delivery date is maintained. Let's go back, and here it was, so I can change my date to maybe 8 or 9. Let's take it 9. Press enter key. So it is showing me the picking date as 8. Okay, and the quantity was 1. And if I open another session to show you the current status of the QA32 report, if I execute it, so at present, this is the lot which is inspected. Let's complete this transaction. VA02, which is a change mode of the sales order. Press enter key. And here is from the menu, you can select deliver. Okay, so this is the one. If I click on post code issue button, then the lot should be triggered. And here you can see the lot number with the prefix 10 has been created, and few more errors it is showing me. But from the QM point of view, the lot should get triggered once you click on the good issue. So let's go back. Even in the item overview, if I double click on it, the inspection lot details also in this sales order screen. Okay, with the prefix 10, let's save it. If I refresh my QA32 report, one more lot should get triggered. Prefix 10. Prefix will tell you the lot origin. Select this and do the result recording for it, and 6, enter, accept it, and then click on save. If I refresh it, it is inspected. Select this, go for the usage decision. You can enter the usage decision for it. Let me show you the stock report also at present. Here it is scheduled for delivery is 176, and we have done the sales transaction. So if I refresh it, and it is 177, you can see, because we have entered the quantity as 1. So let's complete the usage decision also. Accept it and then click on save. And it is a non-stock element, so there is no stock posting option is there. Refresh it, so it is removed from here. And now again, if I go for my sale transaction, go to VS02, again enter, press enter key. From this delivery, it is showing me no delivery is there. Okay, the date it is picking up as. And if this is the item, okay, click on postcode issue. So this time that lot error is not coming. It's related to the picking and the warehouse management related.